Hey, hi again. Do you want to know the secret? One of the secrets to the Mexican food, why it tastes so tasty? I'll show you what it is. It's epazote. Okay? This is the secret to making the Mexican food, giving that special taste. And it also, we have plenty of it here planted in our garden, enough to make enough for our soups and for different kinds of traditional foods that we make here. I think we wanted to enjoy it. They grow very easily here. These epazote. I think that you would also enjoy the taste of it in your food. Add a little bit of spice to life. Okay. So when you have nothing else to do, try it. You'll like it.
I praise the Lord with my heart and my spirit. I praise the Lord with my heart and my spirit.